Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Future Family. I am Krishna Nirmale, ex-student of NIPER Hyderabad. Daily we will discuss a 6 multiple choice question from specific topic that is important for GPAT, NIPER and pharmacist exam. Today our topic of discussion is prescription. First we will start from question number first, that is fat emulsion given in which part of the prescription. Option A is superscription, option B subscription, option C inscription, and option D. Generally prescription have 4 to 5 parts. Each part now we will discuss detail. First one is inscription. Inscription is a main part of the prescription. It contains name, quantity of prescribed medicament. Second one, the superscription. In superscription it represented by Latin term, that is you take or you take. In older day it is a originated from sign of Jupiter. In this symbol was used for requesting the god for quick recovery for the patients. Then moving to subscription. Subscription is subscription direction given to the pharmacist regarding what doses from have to prepare and how many number of doses have dispensed to the patients. Moving to signature. Signature is direction to the patient regarding the quantity to be taken, frequency and time of administration of the of preparation, route of administration and special instruction. In signature generally written in English or Latin abbreviation like TID means thrice a day, BID means twice a day, once a day. Second question, mention the English meaning of colotorium. Colotorium, option A eye wash, option B mouthwash, option C hand wash, and option D solution. The Latin term for eye wash is a collyrium, and for mouthwash is colotorium, for solution is a liquor, and for hand wash is a lava manus. Then moving to third question, that is Latin term for to be taken. Option A capendus, option B sumendus, option C utendus, and option D both A and P. Latin form. And for then English meaning, for delegatanus to be solved, for sumendus to be taken, for applicants to be applied, and for dandans, that is to be taken. The right answer will be the sumendus, to be taken. To fourth question, that is a Latin term for 1 teaspoonful, that is option A is a cochlear amplus, then cochlear maximum, option C cochlear minimum, option D cochlear magnum. Latin term with their English meaning. 1 teaspoonful is equal to cochlear minimum. 1 tablespoonful is also called as cochlear amalpum, cochlear magnum, and cochlear maximum. For 1 desired spoonful, it is also known as cochlear medium in Latin term. Moving to fifth question, mention the English meaning for vignity. Means English meaning of vignity, that is 20 is called as vignity, or 2 is called as vignity. Option C 50 is called as vignity, or 10 is called as vignity. Then we'll see the answer. 20 vignity, for 2 Latin term is duo, for 50 is a quinquaginta, then for 10 it is a decum. Moving to sixth question, mention the Latin term for when pain survive, that is statis, lanti, dolera urgent, on option D tusci urgent. Now we'll see the English meaning with Latin term. When pain survive is it dolera urgenta, then when cough is troublesome, that is tusci urgent, for slowly is a lenti, and for immediately is a statin. Thank you for watching video. If you like video, share to your friend if they are preparing for GPAT, NIPER and pharmacist exam. If you want to join our family, then contact on below number, that is 96750020 and 002. Thank you for watching.